Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to screen share on Umingle. First open your browser and search for OBS Studio. Go to the official website, download it and install the software on your computer. Once it's installed, open OBS Studio and set up the virtual camera. Then click on plus icon to add the source and choose the type of capture you need. I'm going to select display capture. In the capture mode, choose your monitor and click OK. Now click on Start Virtual Camera and minimize OBS Studio. Next, open your browser and go to the Umingle. Allow camera access, then select OBS Virtual Camera as your camera source. As you can see, my screen is now being shared. I hope this video helped you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.